That this is actually very important to the success. So I'm doing a third video. I know 3 minutes on just WhatsApp. It's not. It's 3 minutes on communicating directly with everybody, not wasting time, not having long meetings and forgetting why you were there in the first place. Here you are as the manager, the 1 minute manager, the 1 minute property manager. You have your office, you have maintenance, you have janitorial. This is your group. When you add the board with the key personnel for there, that is so that they know what's happening, communicating, and can actually give advice and vice versa. They know what's going on. They see images and pictures. The owners, very important. They own the units. They own the property. They own the building. They need to know what's going on, not just through emails, but instantaneously through photos, videos, and communicating as well. And then you have the city. But most important, you have your realtors. The realtors can help you be successful. Special projects can help you finish your projects and get these done.